Bakit special?
Kasi sa kanila magmumula ang score kung sino ang nanakaling pinakamaganda.
Tayo yun. Kami po ay naghuhugas kamay. Nasa kanila po nakasalalay kung ano man ang pagiging resulta.
Lahat po sa kanila lang po nagaling. Pero po, 45% na lang po yung pinagtatalo na natin ngayong gabi. Kasi po yung 55% naganap na po noong April 25. Okay.
Okay, pakilala na natin.
Okay, our first judge. She's the former Miss MYO 2004 finalist. She's also print out model ng Buy and Sell and Car Finder. Red Magazine model also. A round model to Fashion Sense Model Production. Please welcome Miss Rose Ann Reyes.
Let's give them a big round of applause again.
Si Rose Ann ay yung lovely judge natin ngayong gabi.
Okay, thank you. Our second judge is a former MYO officer, a magna cum laude, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Economics at UP Diliman. Actually, ano siya eh, I can't remember the year, pero siya ay valedictorian. 2003, 2004. Tama? Ayan.
2002, 2003.
Just to proud of her kasi sa bata niya. And also, an accounts officer. Alam niyo po sa Fininvest Land Incorporation.
Ay, maraming pera po dyan.
Incorporation na, whatever. Friends, let's join us in welcoming our judge number 2, Mark Joseph Arescado.
Welcome po. Okay, our third judge. She's the former Miss MYO 2005 title holder and the Miss Fashionista 2005. Let us all welcome Miss Roberlyn Inocencio Homrades.
Our next judge is Binibining Malinta 2005 finalist. Okay? And also Miss Valdeco. Alright folks, join us in welcoming Miss Nessie de la Cruz.
Okay, our next judge. He's a former dancer of Wow Wow Wee ng Channel 2 at member ng Female Dancer. Let us all welcome Mr. Ian Gonchalian.
Thank you sir for that.
Welcome po.
Our next judge is Miss MYO first runner-up winner the year 2004. Okay? Thank you for coming, Judge Rolen M. Castro.
Welcome po. Kung kanina merong taga-Channel 2, ngayon naman mga kapuso, nandito ang isang talent caster ng GMA Artist Center. A warm welcome to Mr. Carlos Lafira.
Our next judge is an events organizer in SM Valenzuela Super Center and a music warehouse of Megawayan, an executive producer of King and Queen of Hearts in SM Valenzuela Super Center, pageant director of Mr. and Miss Datamex 2009, and director also of Mr. and Miss Sangguniang Kabataan Federation for 2 consecutive years, managing director of Headset Events Management. Please join us in welcoming Mr. Jamer Fernandez Espiritu.
Okay, our last judge, but not the least, she's a former beauty queen, Miss Nakambini ng Kalikasan ng Pilipinas 2009, Miss Antipolo 2008, and one of the Baba Boom Beauties of Ipolaga. Let us
Oo nga.